welcome. We are back with another edition of SeanDo on the Go, and I find myself here on the expo floor at Citrix Summit, and I'm literally talking to my longtime friend and the one responsible for my weight loss, Pete Downing. Pete, welcome to the show.
Good to see you, Sean.
All right, well, you suck at this, but what you don't suck at is being a partner of Citrix. Now, Pete, you work for XenTegra. Today, XenTegra was named Partner of the Year.
Yeah.
So congratulations on that. You get some hardware to go in that cabinet of yours.
We're very excited. Andy's, who's our founder and CEO, we were honestly taking
you
it back.
dropped a name down there. Let me pick that up for you. Andy, the CEO, just in case you missed that little. Okay, so now XenTegra as a partner of Citrix is a consultative reseller partner. Is that accurate?
Yeah, we're a platinum Citrix partner. Our goal is simple. We want to be a true partner. And by true partner, we mean we're not banging on your door saying, hey, Sean, bring me into customers. We're trying to find customers and bring them to you. And we do that with our enablement. So we do a lot of online and on-premise free trainings, and we do a lot of webinars. And as you know, I do a lot of social and demos, and we try to keep it fresh.
What are the partners do you work with in that Citrix ecosystem?
So we work with, let's see, Igil, Nutanix, ControlUp. We have a whole handful of partners, but our goal is simple. We start with Citrix, and then we find solutions to augment the Citrix stack. And then one of the things I'm working on this year is to build solution stacks that make sense to help customers further their investment in Citrix. Right. So a lot of customers are going to Citrix Cloud. And then we get, well, how do I take this further? And I can say, well, bring in Igil to help you with your endpoints, or bring in ControlUp to figure out utilization and overhead. And we're starting to work with companies like VSI Logic. Okta is another one that we're trying to bring on to do two-factor and security. So we're going to start focusing big on security as well to augment the cloud story.
All right, and that's a great point. So when we look at XenTegra, we look at custom tailoring a fit around the customer based on their needs, not just making a sale.
We also do a lot of work with Citrix and Microsoft. We take Azure 365, and we have our MSP as well. So we have a full MSP business. And
MSP stands for what?
Managed service provider. So we can take any customer and we can say, hey, you want us to manage it? Okay, no problem. It's more about how do we help the customer take their investment further with Citrix.
Tell us about a customer that you recently worked with and the Citrix solutions that you provided.
University down in Southern Florida, they actually attended one of my cloud boot camps, and they were on the fence about Citrix Cloud. Okay. And they came in and they started asking me questions about like ROI, why do I need to do this? And I started explaining it to them, and then they sat through the day, they got hands-on experience, and then by the end of the day, they were calling up our sales guy and saying, hey, we're sold. Okay. And so we got them to start with Citrix Cloud in one of their colleges, the engineering school. They started using it for some of the CAD apps and things like that, and they realized, hey, this is easy. It makes it so much easier than trying to bring it on-prem. Yeah. So they've rolled it out into their staff and faculty, and now they're doing another project where they're going to bring it into student life. So they've taken Citrix Cloud and done 2 projects, and we're going to hopefully bring on a 3rd project with this
Amazing. Uploading workloads into the cloud management plane, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, and then the next thing we're working on is getting them into Azure. That's the next step. And we're working with Microsoft to get them to start demoing it, and then once we get them into Azure, then it becomes a bigger conversation around networking, SD-WAN.
Okay, because XenTegra marches to the same drum that Citrix does. You've got experiences first and foremost, security, and then flexibility, whatever cloud platform they want. All right, so here comes random question of the day. You ready?
Sure.
Do you remember the first time you beta tested?
Do I remember the first time I beta tested? Yeah, I do. It was,
what was the operating system?
That was, let's see, Windows NT.
Windows NT, wow.
And I'm trying to think.
You don't have that many gray hair.
I know. And we were doing an upgrade to 2000 and then upgrade to XP. So I was beta testing
And who was your trainer for that?
Well, you were one of my trainers for.
All right, Pete, in closing it out, where can customers, prospects, our viewers that are out there today, where can they go to get more information on everything you've talked about here?
They can go to XenTegra.com.
And go.
And then if you want to know more about our events, XenTegra.com/events.
All right, that does it for this edition of SeanDo on the Go, live from #Citrix Summit 2019. Bye-bye.